How's it going? I'm Josh in DC. Today we're at a Cornelius, Oregon project, and I wanted to kind of just hit a couple key factors that will be important for you guys to focus on for a successful timber frame ceiling. You'll see below us we got underlayment on the roof, so this building is essentially dried in. We're keeping most of the moisture out as we're doing our overframing, our roof electrical, our roof venting, and our insulation. There's some black pipes behind me. We got all our plumbing vents out, our radon vents, our solar panel penetrations. All our penetrations go through the roof. At the rough stage, I bring my tradesmen in and I make them get everything out that's going out the roof before I dry it in, especially with this roof being a low slope and having a 112 pitch. Once you got everything installed, get your roof out here as quick as possible to dry that thing in, because any bit of moisture that leaks down, you just kind of wait longer for your dry out. You get more rust or any buildup from a nail that maybe not be hot dip galvanized or a piece of hardware, and it's just more prep for the painter. So know your electrical, know your venting, and get that thing buttoned up. A key importance of all this is selections. To know what lights I'm putting in where, if I'm doing security, if I'm doing automation, what my fireplaces are, and how all my venting is going to work, so I can get that through a roof and I don't have to penetrate anything later. There's nothing worse than putting on like a metal roof and then having a subcontractor come in and want to like tear a hole in it and just put a silicone flashing that he caulks to the roof deck. So know your electrical, know your venting, and get that thing buttoned up. So thanks for watching. To learn more about our best practices or heavy timber structures, give us a call or visit our website.